Welcome to our channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. So yesterday we have seen the finding out the packing efficiency or packing factor for simple cubic structure. Today we are going to see how to find out the packing factor of or packing efficiency for body center cubic structure. In the body center cubic structure we have seen that there is one atom in the center and there are 8 corner atoms. So 8 corner atoms each going to contribute 1/8 of atom for the unit cell. That means 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 atom and 1 body center atom. That means there are 2 atoms in the unit cell. So that is how the structure BCC, body centered cubic, is there. Now so that is what is here mentioned here. So now I am going to show a very important figure, so where you can see this particular derivation. So you just see, observe. So here he has given the diagram, shows that so there is a center atom, so it is contributing to 2 radii, 2 radius, and also one corner atom in the left bottom and one atom in the right back atom. Okay, right side back atom in the corner atom. So that is going to contribute 1 radius, r and r. So totally along the diagonal, total is equal to 2r plus r plus r, that means 4r. So AF, so given by the points AF, that is equal to 4r. So 4r is equal to how much? So you know that A and A are the lattice parameter. That means in the right angle triangle, you can see that a square plus a square is equal to diagonal square. So diagonal is equal to we know that for 4r is equal to a root 3. So r is equal to a root 3 by 4. So now, so what is the total number of atoms? That is 2. And what is the volume of a spherical atom? The shape of the atom is assumed to be sphere. So volume of sphere is equal to, we know, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So there are 2 atoms. The total volume of the atom is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 into 4 by 3 into pi into r, I am substituting a root 3 by 4. So substituting that to 8 pi by 3 into a root 3 by 4 whole cube. So that gives me pi a cube root 3 by 8. So volume of the unit cell, we know that it is equal to a into a into a. That means side into side into side, a into a into a. That means a cube. So we know that packing efficiency is equal to, we have already seen in the last class that packing efficiency or packing factor is equal to volume of the number of atoms in the unit cell by the total volume of the unit cell. We know that the volume of the unit cell is equal to a cube in terms of the lattice parameter a, and volume of the number of atoms, that is 2 atoms present in the unit cell, is equal to just now we have derived, that is equal to pi a cube root 3 by 8. And substituting these two, so in the here you can see that, so how we have got AF is equal to a root 3. So a in the figure just now I have shown here. Here you can see here, observe here. So just remember that, or you can draw here. So okay, so then we can go back here. So now it is equal to, from the figure, AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. So that means a square plus a square, that means equal to 2a square. So AF square is equal to AE square plus EF square, that is a 2a square plus a square, that is 3a square. So AF is equal to a root 3. So both should be equal. That gives me a root 3 is equal to 4r. So that gives me r is equal to a root 3 by 4. So that is the derivation for the relationship between r is equal to a root 3 by 4. And now substituting the volume of the atoms in the unit cell and volume of the unit cell. So pi a cube root 3 by 8 by a cube, that gives me pi root 3 by 8. So substituting for pi is equal to 22 by 7, I will get 0.68. That means packing factor is equal to 0.8 and packing efficiency is equal to 0.68 into 100%, that is equal to 68%. So in the present video we have learnt how to find out the packing factor or packing efficiency for the BCC structure, body centered cubic structure. So in the other day we have seen the packing factor and coordination number for all the different types of structures like FCC, SC, BCC, HCP and diamond cubic structure, and this is only the extension of that. That means actually we are deriving the whatever we have seen in the other table, that is packing factor for simple cubic, and today we have seen the packing factor for BCC system. Okay. So that's how we have derived the equation or the relationship for the packing efficiency or packing factor for BCC, body centered cubic. Okay boys, so if you have not subscribed my channel earlier, so please subscribe. We are going to complete the engineering material shortly. So after that we are going to take up the another subject for the discussion, and in the meantime let us discuss some papers also. If available on the net, I will search for them, and if I get some question papers related to your competitive examinations or other examinations, we will discuss them. But we will continue our discussion for the engineering materials. For the time being, we have started discussion for the subject of the engineering materials. So in the next class we are going to see another topic. Okay guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and share, like and comment, and also subscribe, share among your friends along the many platforms which are available to you in the groups and your contacts like Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp, etc., and even Instagram also, so that it reaches many number of students, as many number of students as possible, so that let everybody should get benefited. Okay boys, so wish you all the best, good luck, and success will be yours. So please keep trying, keep studying, just don't lose your heart. Let the examinations come or not, notifications come or not, one exam or the other exam is going to come always. And as I told you already, yes, if you are ready with the subjects and general studies, probably you are ready for all the government examinations, right? If you want to go for private sector or corporate sector, definitely your subject is needed. Whatever the interview you attend, you are going to be asked questions about your interesting subject. Okay, so that means preparing for mechanical engineering subject, total mechanical engineering subject once, is always advisable from all the points of view. So please be prepared, and let us meet in the next video shortly. Wish you all the best.